hit up the brand new Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Here she comes, choo-choo!
For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids. If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, best remove them, because this here's the
wildest ride in the wilderness! Yeah!
That was the shortest 25 minutes I've ever seen.
Right.
Oh, geyser.
Woohoo!
That was awesome.
Oh my goodness.
We'll begin moving momentarily.
Wow, the little updates are so awesome.
I know. So many great little updates to it.
It is so much smoother,
It's so much smoother.
but not too smooth.
No, it was still kind of jerky. Woohoo! Just got off the new Big Thunder, and let me tell you, it is such a nice upgrade. Oh my goodness, it is so smooth, but still jerky enough. The nighttime ride was so much fun. The dark really enhanced it. I don't know how well it shows up in the video, but it was like all the lighting and the effects and things like that. I loved how it worked out, and the transition from the cave to, you know, it's a good cave to it's a bad cave was really cool too. And I loved the end scene with the gold. I know I've seen the version at Disneyland, I've seen the version at Disneyland Paris, and they all have different kind of end scenes. And I really liked this one. I thought it was a nice like touch. You know, everybody's got a different one. So Big Thunder is a big plus in my book.